Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the premiere episode on spicy. In this section, I will be introducing some common spice and herbs to you. I will be sharing their major health benefits, how to effectively utilize them, and to crown this section up, I will be sharing a practical application of the spice of the day. Stay tuned. And today I will be starting with a very popular spice, ginger. Almost everybody loves ginger. Well, ginger is said to have originated from South Asia. Do you know the top producing ginger countries are China, India, Nepal, Nigeria, and Thailand? Some major ways in which ginger are used include in soup making, in baking. We have ginger biscuit, ginger pie. We have a whole lot of ginger snacks. We have ginger tea. Ginger are also used in juice making, in smoothie making, and I have 2 ginger drink recipe on my channel. I will be leaving the link in the description. Ensure you check it out. And briefly, I will be going to the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a proven home remedy for cold, nausea, flu, stomach ache, and other health issues. Ginger help reduce inflammation, help reduce gas, and improve digestion. Ginger is a great remedy for menstrual pain. Ginger help improve appetite. Ginger has been known to be effective against certain forms of cancer, like the pancreatic cancer, the gastric cancer, gastrointestinal cancer, liver cancer, among others. And the importance of ginger to the hair cannot be overemphasized. Ginger helps to boost blood circulation to the scalp. It helps to strengthen the hair root and follicle, thus preventing hair loss. And to sum it all, I will be moving on to the application of ginger I have for today. I have 2 ginger tea recipe. The main difference between both is that the second one is more concentrated than the first. In case you try the first one and you are not satisfied with the taste of the ginger, you can give the second recipe an attempt. And in the second recipe, I would be adding clove and a pinch of turmeric. favorite ginger drink recipe, ensure you click the link in the description and share with me your favorite ginger recipe in the comment section. Let me learn from you. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. See you some other time with another interesting spice.